Welcome back to part 11 of the Asia adventure. Our story continues here in Bangkok, Thailand on October the 19th. And we, I guess just you and the camera and me, are on our way to a temple. So let's go check out this Thai subway and see what's out there. Adventure if you can. Meow? Meow? Fish! Fish! So this building back here is really interesting. Apparently, when people get cremated, this is where it's done. So this is kind of like a funeral home, and then a plaque is placed next door. Very interesting. So it rains a little bit here and there for sure. Wasn't that adventure fun today? Some cool temples, some food, and riding a bike around. It was fun. Let's continue this adventure more and see what's next. So there's a whole bunch of these food court places here in Thailand where basically you just go to a central Thailand and get home. They didn't show you that part. And you just go to the vendor and you show your card and they give you food, and it's really inexpensive. Like I just got butter chicken for like $6. Let's enjoy it. So this is BKM, which is by Saigon in Bangkok. And basically it's just tons and tons and tons of small shops that just sell a whole bunch of stuff. Like 8 floors of them. But just walking through on the way back from dinner. Like how they show you. That food was good. It's like $6-ish for Indian. That's pretty good, right? Today was nice and adventurous. It's very loud. Let's see what's next. So I learned since the last time I rode the train that instead of getting these one-time use cards, if you take your passport there, you can get a permanent card. So let's go do that. Alright, that totally worked. The card is 200 baht, comes with 100 baht on it, so this is about $3 for the card, charge with 100. And now you just use this forever. Way easier than getting money every time. Let's go ride the train. Some very cool architecture. Okay, let's see what's next. This is the Siam covered walkway in the middle. So no rain or anything. Keep going. So something I've noticed so far in Asia is like there's all these huge malls. Like in America we have like 1 2-story malls maybe. And like some of these are like 5 and 8 stories like tall. Really big, nice air conditioning. I think that was the Japanese food court. Still looking around. So let's see if this food court's like the rest, where basically you have this card again and the food is more affordable. Let's go check it out. So there was stir-fried chicken with basil, like 85 baht. Like less than $3. So good. Food is so expensive. Alright, let's go find something else. Yeah, that's just fun. I didn't know before. I know what I started eating things like that. So that fancy card just doesn't work on the subway. Apparently, you touch credit cards. Ooh. Try. This is Bench KDI Park, maybe. And I think that's part of downtown Bangkok over there. Nice reflection over here, really nice. All right, let's walk around. Pretty epic reflection shots, huh? Wish I brought the big camera. I didn't know it was going to be this cool. But that's alright. I'll be here for a bit, so there's another chance. And that's the adventure for today. Let's find out tomorrow what the adventure will be. And that adventure starts early in the morning. Well, good morning. Let's go find out where adventure is taking us today. This reminds me of Big Trouble in Little China. stay awesome. Alright, awesome waterfall with 350 baht boat ride. Only way to get here. Let's climb down.
หนูคนละบุรีไม่ได้เราจะมุกได้ไหมแค่ภูหินใหญ่แค่หินนี้ใช่เพราะอันนั้นก็เลยมันตะไคร้กับนางรองมันตะไคร้กับนางรองมันละเสียงตาจบกันตรงนี้แหละ
Well, all right. Wasn't that day just exciting? Man, so many waterfalls and boat rides and just sunset views. Whew, what a fantastic day. It's not over. Wait for the train, and then it's time for the next day to start, which is work. So let's get back to the Airbnb and get signed in. Well, all right, some work has been complete. Let's go outside and find some adventure. I just looked up this cool temple that's about an hour from here. And it's what's that called? Skytrain and boat ride to it. So let's go do that. So that like planning thing that I never do. I think the boat is closed today. That I'm maybe waiting for it. I don't know. The other place closes at 6. It's 4:45. I guess we'll find out if we're gonna make it or not. Look over here. Okay, so my lack of planning is a fail for the river. So there's a subway kind of close by, so let's go try to find it that way. So the subway is cool that you can use your touch credit card. But keep on showing you. I'm not gonna do that. All right, we're almost to the thing, which closes in 24 minutes, and we're still good to walk. So my lack of planning that I do all the time, I missed it by like 4 minutes. But hey, you know, here's a nice adventure. That's still pretty cool. All right, let's see what's next. This smells really good. I've been like walking up and down this side of the river, trying to get a good shot, good clean shot, that really cool temple over there. Like all of it, you can't get to it. Like everything's either got a thing in front of it or whatever. But anyway, wanted to try to do that one more time before I call the end of part 11 of the Asia adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.